In this video, we'll show you how to create a new list in SharePoint. A SharePoint list is a powerful tool for organizing and managing information. It's a great way to collaborate with your team and track progress on projects. A SharePoint list is a collection of data that can be displayed in a variety of ways, including tables, calendars, and charts. You can create a new list to track anything from project tasks to inventory items. To create a new list, first navigate to your SharePoint site. Once you're on the SharePoint site, click on the plus button and select List. In the Create a New List dialog box, select List. Next, enter a name and description for your list. You can also choose a template for your list or start from scratch. Once you've created your list, you can customize it to meet your needs. You can add columns to your list to store different types of data. You can also set permissions for your list to control who can view and edit it. Finally, you can apply formatting to your list to make it more visually appealing. You can also add additional settings to your list, such as versioning and content approval. Now that you know how to create a new list in SharePoint, you can start using it to organize and manage your information. Here are a quick recap of the steps involved in creating a new list in SharePoint.
Okay, now we are going to see the demo how to create a SharePoint list in the Microsoft 365. So in the previous video, we see the overview of the Microsoft 365. Now we are going to see the SharePoint and going to see create list in the SharePoint. So we know this is the SharePoint. Once you go here, this is the here we are going to create the list. Blank list. I am going to create a new list. The name is what we can give the name. So I keep the name as building management. So building management. Here I keep this list in my dev list. Create. So once we create the list name, it will open this page. Here we have the list of columns. We can use the existing columns. Now we are going to add additional columns in this list. So here we can see all the options. We can create the form using this list. We can export this list. We can power automate using this list data, and we can connect this list to Power App, Power Automate, Power BI. So here we will see how to create the columns with based on the data type like integer, text, choice, and also we will see how to create the new calculator columns. Here first column, we will create one text column, building code. We are going to create unique building code here. Now is created, and locations. We will create one more locations based on this tag locations using single line of text. Here we have a list of data types, multi-line, number, yes, no, choice, everything. Now I select the single line text and save and type. We are going to create building type. We'll building type. We will create choose a list. When select this list, it will can say building type. Okay, the choice as camp, then villa or own building. Save. After that, you will create total capacity. We'll keep in the header column, header list as total capacity. We will keep as number and select total capacity beds number, then save. Then we will create another column, current occupant. Now we create one column, total capacity, and we create the current occupant beds, current occupant, and this also numbers, and save. And we create current occupant in percentage. Create um, see all column type. Next, so what happened? This is some issues I can't able to create. So we'll create another. Yes, now building management is appear here. So open this. The remaining one more columns we will add for calculate. Add column. See all column type. Next, yeah, column occupant percentage. So we will create the calculator columns. Then here I will current occupant add to formula divided by total capacity beds to formula by into 100 numbers and okay. So I will create one more columns, choice status as active, inactive, and maintenance. Save. So now we created the column list with different type of data types, text, numbers, choice, and we create the calculator columns. We will see how the calculator columns is work when we add the new items like building number 1, building 001, location, universe, building type, rented villa. Maybe we need to add one more choices zone. Maybe 20 total 20 beds and 10 occupant and active. When you go and save, see now it's change 50 percentage because we have to 20 capacity beds, 10 occupant, 10 is remaining. So 50 percentage is occupied. Yeah, now we see how we create list new list in the SharePoint with different type of data type. Stay tuned. We will see in another video. Thank you.